Species of which coniferous trees is most turpentine? A. Pines. B. Cedars. C. Birches. All gone with A. Pines. Lila. Irene.
Was locked out of the embassy in London last night. A spokesman for the envoy, Jules Ramin, has asked the British government not to recognise his replacement. Myanmar's military seized power in a coup in February, sparking widespread protests.
Whether it will do what it can, it's down to the police to enforce the rules. While most services have been quiet during lockdown, there have been images like this, taken on the London Underground in January. Maintaining social distance and wearing a mask will be crucial to getting people back on board properly. Returning to public transport may well be a
Okay, so like I say, mains, internet, aerial, internet wireless, I should say, optical to my sound by the way, they're all connected. Use AI functions, LG's deeply detect and enhancing clarity and resolution according to the content being viewed and provide optimized depth, effective virtual 5.1 three-dimensional surrounds. I'm going to turn you on that in there a little later, so it's saying it will analyse the content you're watching and optimise the picture and sound accordingly to your content. So we're saying next to that. Similar to Samsung, I forget what theirs is called, but they're something that is the same job basically. Just a quick mention, digital aim search. If you've got Sky broadcast on an analog channel, you need to go into smart link tuning, or if you're only replacing certain channels, smart link still a dodge bit on it. Okay, so it's finished, it's tuning. Tell me there are duplicates now, so broadcast from all icons. Important. UK's number 1.
Movement is allied with a range of
Second
causes for migrants
my area is
Palestinians
facing
to get
Yorkshire,
places.
so I'm looking to Yorkshire.
This is a fairly low-key protest compared to many that President Macron has faced, but it's now a nationwide movement, and it's linking up with other, more established protest groups. The Yellow Vests may have left the headlines, but a handful still protest each week in towns like Poitiers. Now they're lending their support to the theatre protests here.
C'est une petite flamme.
We've kept the flame alive, Mohammed told me, waiting for the time it'll catch fire again.
Les règles qui sont en vigueur.
Last week, President Macron announced a new national lockdown. The government is now spending 11 billion euros a month to support businesses and workers. Caught between unsustainable spending and unacceptable reforms, Mr. Macron is set to face his critics again. The plays may have stopped here, but politics goes on. Lucy Williamson, BBC News, Paris.
That has, of course, prompted a big discussion here now about Call My Agent, but sadly we don't have time to continue that, which is a shame because it was quite funny. Let's tell you one brief other piece of news before we take a look at the weather prospects. If you can't contain your excitement about the reopening of shops next week in England, well, you're not alone. This monitor lizard was caught ransacking the shelves of a supermarket in Bangkok. I feel quite unwell even looking at that, actually. The reptile really is more than 6 feet long. It was looking for food. It was eventually trapped, and it was removed from the store by local police. Oh, you wouldn't want that job, would you? Oh, I can't look. I actually can't look. So, as long as the director tells me when the pictures have stopped, I will look away, and apparently now it's safe to turn to the weather with Nick Miller. Nick.
Hello, it is feeling a little less cold out there today, especially where you've been seeing some sunshine. Multiple seasons in a day, though, in Scotland. A hint of spring after the past few cold days across eastern areas with some sunny spells. Rain, though, in northwest Scotland from this weather front, which is moving southwards across Scotland today with the rain and the much colder air following on behind. The wind's picking up as well. Back to winter with Arctic air and snow showers in northern Scotland tonight, and the front with the Arctic air following, spreading south across the UK just in time for the weekend. Here's the rain from that weather front moving further south across Scotland, into Northern Ireland by this evening. Ahead of that, some patches of rain, more especially towards northwest England. Chance of a few heavier showers running out of South Wales and into southwest England. You can see these temperatures into double figures, but also the colder air moving in across Scotland behind the rain, with these showers turning increasingly to snow across northern Scotland into tonight, turning icy in places too, and very windy in fact for the Northern Isles. Some potentially disruptive wind gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour before they slowly ease tomorrow. For the rest of the night, our cold front will move out of Northern Ireland, Northern England and across parts of the Midlands, Wales and into East Anglia. Here temperatures holding up with the cloud across much of England and Wales, but frosty again where it's clear in Northern England, Northern
Quite clean today. one of one of my videos. Just in standard mode.